there, 2021.
It signify.
It's a knife.
What kind of? What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail and my boo.
That was your intro song?
Yeah. Come along with us to do hibachi in South Central again, bruh. Why they keep calling? Why South Central keep wanting us?
All your people in.
Shut up. Why you driving with your knees, bruh?
You not driving.
Touche. Coming along with us to do hibachi in South Central. We're doing the 75th birthday party for family. Boy, it's up and it's stuck. So I'm gonna bring y'all along. Y'all gonna come with me. Same thing as last time. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what it is and how I do it. You know what I'm saying? See downtown LA right there, bruh. We going that way. Where the palm trees at? All right, y'all, we're going to do hibachi in the hood. Look, already. See him right here, y'all. We by SC. We in South Central. We by the University of South Central. And we back on Fig.
Sack later.
We in the hood, boy. Ooh. Yes, sir. But we finna go do the hibachi thing. We're gonna show y'all the ins, the outs, the do's, the don'ts.
That's your favorite thing to say when you don't have nothing to say. The ins, the outs, the do's, the don'ts, the what's you call. Y'all know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm working on my filler words, boo. Like to get rid of my filler words because I know I do a lot of that. Like if I rapped, I would be terrible because
you don't say nothing.
Yeah.
Be like, what we say last night with Broadway?
Yeah. Broadway was the same thing. She don't wanna. Like, she don't wanna. Like what? Hold up, is this where Back on the Block is gonna be?
Black on the Block is way more
Blacker
than that.
Way more blacker.
No, way more.
Here with the Los Angeles Football Club for the Los Angeles soccer team. What they over there doing, y'all? Oh, we went to the Larry Hoover tour here. The what was it?
Larry Hoover concert.
Yeah, for Larry Hoover concert. That shit was popping.
Kanye.
They brought Drake out here and do no old shit, all new shit, bro.
Kanye did old shit.
No. Hey, y'all, every black neighborhood got a King Boulevard, bruh. When I say the hood, this is what I mean right here. Like, what's going on right there? Like, why y'all fucking up the bus stop? Anywhere you see a Yoshinoa and cheap gas, that's the hood.
Yoshinoa do not mean this.
All right, Chad, when y'all see a bargain center,
and a beauty supply in the same
and a beauty supply in the same center,
and a Mexican supermarket,
with a McDonald's and American Oil, boy. Oh, this might be where the Glizzy Boys is. I think that's their other shop right there.
Their second one.
Yeah. Oh no, their third one.
Wait, is their third?
Yeah, they got two in Long Beach.
Oh.
And they got one in LA. We finna knock this out. We finna hit this out the park, y'all. We finna get crazy. It's gonna be fun. What time is it? Yeah. We're a couple minutes away, so I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get there. Y'all, we in the Crenshaw district. All right, y'all, so we here. All right, vlog, we right here. I'm on center stage, y'all. Y'all can see this is my work area. All right, chat. Got a little something, I'll show y'all why they call me King of Hibachi, Chef Quail. I'm gonna show y'all a little razzle dazzle here, boy. What kind of? Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. We outside. Come on, let me show y'all something. Come on, man. Right here, we got the table set up, man. Looks nice, man. 21st birthday right there, 2021.
Oh, I love these kind of pictures.
You gonna do one with Afro?
No.
All right, y'all, here go the candy table right here, y'all. Here go the candy table. All right, this is neat. I like how neat this is right here. This how your garage gonna look, boo?
Yeah, yours wouldn't.
Damn.
We're going to get started with our presentation. After that, we are going to have some words of love for those who feel comfortable. And if you want to start sipping with me right now, that's okay too. That's our events for the day, and we hope you enjoy today. Thank you all for being a part of our village. We can't express, Shantae and I cannot express how much again we are so happy for you all and happy to be here for my moms. We love you, we thank you, we appreciate you, and we value you. So let the good times roll. We got hood hibachi. Y'all know we gotta do hibachi, but we gotta do it the black way.
People be like, damn, this shit nerve-wracking, bro. Do I be nervous, bro? Yes. I be nervous.
He's yapping, y'all.
Just imagine everyone naked.
No. Anyway, let's get it started.
For a while now, since 10:30 this morning. Good luck, all right? Nah, man. I've been doing hibachi vegetables, hibachi ribeye, hibachi chicken, hibachi everything, y'all, all right? We got hibachi sodas too, y'all, all right? Nah, I'm playing, all right? I'm gonna show y'all what I got. That's the remix. I got all these tricks off YouTube, y'all, okay? All right, so let's get started. We're gonna add a little bit of baby oil, no diddy, all right? What? I ain't write that, dog, in the middle, man, all right?
Go ahead.
We ain't stingy, boy. For the race is good.
Let me get it.
All right, Chad, here we have the hibachi veggies right here. Then we have the hibachi chicken right
Okay, let's put the glass of butter
Where's it going? Where's it going? Right here? Okay, here we go.
Pass the garlic butter.
Yeah, that garlic butter be letting you know, boy. Put that flavor on there.
Exactly. Come on now. Come on now.
And there's extra.
I know the rice the best part.
These veggies, you see how they become in translucent and get a nice serum. Yeah, we add a little bit of Dr. Pepper. Now y'all can see the shrimp looking good. We're going to take those off right now. And then we got the lobster. I wish I keep watching them shells, right? Watching them shells, right?
Four of those ones.
Huh?
Four of these ones.
This for the birthday girl. These for the birthday girl right here. You
Both
see
of them?
it? No, one for the birthday girl, one for the birthday girl daughter.
Oh, so put it in the go.
No, that's going on their plate.
Where's her plate? You don't have a plate?
Her plate right there, her plate right there next to mine. You want a little butter in there? So let me do, we're gonna take them on. Do a couple more things. Look at the to-go.
She wants a garlic butter. She lives in Inglewood. I told her
Hey! Hey! Ain't this kind of vlog or what?
First of all, shout out to you.
Yeah.
That was so amazing.
Thank you.
So grateful.
Thank you.
Definitely will call you
Period.
again at my party.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Before we go, is there anything you need to tell the vlog?
So listen, hire this man immediately.
Period. Yeah. Thank you so much, though. Thank you so much for having us. For sure.
And he's gonna show up. And he's gonna show up on time.
Period. Y'all heard what she said. Period. Y'all heard what she said. She is not lying. Woo! Chat. Damn. For sure, bruh. Jeez, bruh.
And it wasn't even that hot. It was just so, like the sun was beaming right in that spot.
Hey, yeah. You know what the ghetto when the freeway sign look like that, bruh? Look, the freeway entrance.
Like all you want to do is show the ghetto. Stop doing that. All the whole clips is you showing how we in the ghetto. Damn.
Look, boy, we in LA, dog. Traffic. Chat, the line for Tev's Kitchen is crazy. That's what happened coming to South Central, boy. You can't get no food, nigga. Security guard, big bald headed ass.
Doing his job.
You seen what he said? Chat, we right here at Tev's Kitchen. Look at the motherfucking line, dog. The line is crazy. We was gonna keep going, but we decided to stop. I'm out here Chef Quailed up. Hey, tell chat, so we finally made it inside there, bitch. We at Tev's Kitchen, boy. The line was fucking crazy. Yeah, I am. Chat, we waited an hour for this. And when Unc said an hour, I didn't believe him. We got the plantain. We got the cabbage. We got the mac. And we got the oxtails. Boy, this shit look fire and smell great.
It does smell really good.
I'm gonna let y'all know was it worth it or not. No cap.
But I ain't that kind of guy that try to make me out. Found out when you turn to my baby. Acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you can show me.
We did what we had to do. We handled that. And everybody enjoyed it. They had a good time. So y'all make sure y'all like the video, hype the video, comment on the video, and subscribe, man. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, hype the vlog. We're on the road to 100K. So help us get there.